What's he doing, Pop? Huh? Giving them a little bit of a run around, which is good. Hey, Zines. What you doing? Where'd Kaiser go? He's over there somewhere with Dad. Oh, there he is. I forgot to put the LED collars on. Probably should have done that. Oh well. We had quite a big weekend, which was good. I watched some car racing. I might insert a few clips here.
Has kept cars clean from one generation to the next. Carl, trusted for over 60 years.
Well, I was in the middle of throwing the ball around, but then it decided it wanted to rain. So that's been cut a bit short. Time for plan B. Well, never mind. The weather cannot make up its mind. It stopped raining, but it's still a bit cold. Kaiser, can I have the ball? Come here. Ta. Kaiser, yeah, see, Xena got in the way and he's like, no, never mind. Can I have the ball? Ta. Thank you. Sit. Good boy. That was a terrible throw. I am so sorry, dude. Oh my goodness. Giving the dogs a bit of a run around again, of course. We've got the LED collars on. I think you can just see them. It's quite funny. The grass is a bit tall, so Kaiser's kind of hopping around like a rabbit at times. See, there we go. Hi, you glowing orbs. Hi. It's a bit early, but I'm just cleaning up the kitchen at the moment because we have a sparky coming up soon to hopefully take that out and then put that back in, and then I'm going to ask him to have a look at a few other things. But this is the main thing I'm excited about too, so I can actually cook a bit more stuff. Yeah. You're gonna have to be in there a bit longer, dogs, but will you accept a peace offering? Do you want that one? There you go. Guys, you want it? Good boy. You're being such good dogs. Just play. Oh my goodness, we have a new stovetop. This thing is actually so cool, and I love it. It's an induction one. So that'll be good. It's a bit safer for the dogs. I was doing some research. But I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited to actually have a stovetop back in that works and it turns off after a while if it's not in use. So that's good. The old one's over there. Not sure where we're gonna throw that away, but we have to. But I'm so excited. I'm excited to be able to cook more things again. And then a little update about the back lawn, because concrete's going in next weekend. So that's getting there as well, which is good. I might have to do a bit of tidying up before the mesh goes down. Yeah, I might do that actually. Once again, in this large paddock, giving them another run and another sniff around. I do like those LED collars because it helps us to be able to see them better at night. So, as you saw in that last video, last night we gave the dogs another run around, as we do. It was in that same paddock. I think I would like to take them to a different place, but I've just got to see what areas are dog friendly and then go from there. But that one's a good one because it's so big, and at night not a lot of people go there. But yeah, I do really like those LED collars I brought. They were just cheap ones that I got. And yeah, it definitely makes them easier to spot in the dark, because other times we're just kind of guessing on where they are. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you've had a good week, and we'll see you in the next one.